Ano yung one word na yun?
Success!
Success? As in yung success. Ma'am, can you define or can you kindly share mo naman sa amin bakit yun na naisip mo na word? Pwede namang wisdom, pwede namang, diba? Why success, ma'am?
Since nandito na tayo sa JC, and syempre, dami namin natutunan based sa training mo. And of course, ginagawa namin lahat para talagang maging successful kami dito, plus the system ng company, plus the community, and of course, plus the mga GM natin, and of course, the company itself. Alam ko, naniniwala ko na lahat kami na nandito is maging successful. Thank you po!
Grabe! Guys, ano na ba sinabi ni Madam? I want you to check all your phones, go to settings, and check nyo yung Wi-Fi nyo. Now!